Ready for a bold change? Discover short hairstyles that bring confidence and style after 50. 1. Classic Pixie Cut, timeless and low maintenance, perfect for women wanting elegance with ease. Adds lightness and highlights facial features. 2. Textured Crop, layers create volume and movement, making it ideal for fine hair. A playful yet polished choice for women over 50. 3. Sleek Bob, straight and chin length. This cut exudes sophistication and frames the face beautifully. Ideal for sharp jawlines. 4. Curly Pixie, enhances natural curls while keeping hair manageable. Perfect for confident women with lively personalities. 5. Side Swept Crop, soft layers swept to one side bring a feminine touch and flatter round or oval face shapes. 6. Tousled Shag, effortless layers give texture and youthfulness. A perfect carefree yet stylish cut for daily wear. 7. Silver Buzz Cut, bold and empowering. The buzz cut celebrates natural silver tones, best for women embracing minimalism. 8. Layered Bob with bangs, adds volume and frames the forehead softly, great for balancing oval and heart-shaped faces. 9. Feathered Pixie, light, airy layers provide softness and movement, perfect for mature women seeking a youthful edge. 10. Asymmetrical Bob, one side longer than the other, offering modern flair, great for women who want to stand out. 11. Short Spiky Cut, playful spikes add energy and confidence. A chic choice for daring women over 50. Share your favorite number now. 12. Curved Bob, rounded edges soften facial features, making it ideal for women with angular faces. 13. Choppy Crop, uneven layers create texture and style, perfect for fine hair needing more body. Your top pick? Type the number. 14. Short Wavy Lob, loose waves give a casual yet stylish finish, flattering cut for all face shapes. Which style wins for you? 15. Sleek Straight Pixie, smooth and polished, highlighting cheekbones, best for women with sharp features. 16. Short Shag with bangs, messy layers and fringe combine for a youthful, trendy style, great for adding volume. 17. Cropped Cut with highlights, short layers with subtle highlights brighten the look, ideal for fine or thinning hair. 18. Short Bowl Cut, rounded with a chic twist, this modern take on the bowl cut is edgy yet wearable. 19. Short Curly Bob, soft curls frame the face beautifully, giving a fresh, romantic vibe. 20. Elegant Tapered Cut, slightly longer on top with tapered sides, perfect for balancing volume and elegance.